warning for Fairfield County, western New Haven County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Monroe, or near Newtown, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Shelton, Derby, Seymour, Waterbury, North Haven, Naugatuck, Hampton, and Beacon Falls. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield and New Haven.